Welcome back to February update and for roll-ins for month of March. In the month of February, this was my color story. The first two shades are from Viseart, so this is the first one. It was roll over from January and I needed to use it 9 more times and I've managed to do it. This second one was again rolling from January and I only needed to use it 2 times and I've managed to do it. Then it was this second shade from Charlotte Tilbury. I needed to use it 7 times and I also managed to do it. And this gold one from Bobbi Brown that also needed to be used 7 more times and I have met this goal with this one. Because this second one from Viseart only needed to use 2 more uses, I rolled in additionally this brown from Bobbi Brown. It's right here and I used it 11 times in the month of February. And for singles, they were both from Charlotte Tilbury. The first one was Hypnotizing Pop Shot in Rose Gold. It swatches like this. And I have used it 10 times, so I have met my goal. And the second one was this Eyes to Mesmerize in Rose Gold that I have only used it 5 times. And it swatches like this. I will have 2 rollovers from February to March. This brown one from Bobbi Brown that I need to use it 15 more times before I can roll it out, and this single from Charlotte Tilbury that I need to use it 5 more times. And now let's roll the dice to see on which shades I will be working next time. So I will be rolling in 1, 2, 3 shades from palettes because this was already rolled in as a replacement, and I will be rolling in only 1 single shade because this one will stay. Now let's roll the dice. And here are the rules and the numbers that I can roll in. I will be throwing the dice 3 times for the palette. So the first one will be number 3 from Bobbi Brown. So this palette will actually stay in for the 3rd month in a row. The second one will be from Viseart. I call this a brown palette, which is this one. And the third one will be again a pen from this brown palette. And now let's roll a dice for a single shade. So here are the options that I can have. I will be throwing 2 of them and it will go from 1 to 7 and again 8 to 12. Let's see what I'll be working on. So number is 11, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It will be the one that I was already working on. So Charlotte Tilbury, Hypnotizing Pop Shot, Pillow Talk Diamonds, Diamond Dimension. And it is this one. And this will be the last time that I can roll it in a project. So now let's see on which shades I will be working from those 2 palettes. So from Bobbi Brown, this will be odd and this will be even number. I have already worked on both of those shades, so this will be the last time that I can roll one of them in a project. And it will be the number 2, so this gold one, brown. I will throw it the first time. It will be the number 9. And this is actually the same shade that I have now finished in the month of February, so this will be rolled in again. And it is the last time that it can be rolled in a project, so next time when I will be counting, this will be my number 9. And the last one is number 4, this one. So I will just place it in a smaller palette. And now I will swatch them to see my color story for the month of March. So this is my color story for the month of March. This one from Bobbi Brown needs 15 more uses, and then those 3 are new roll-ins. And then for singles, this one only needs 5 more uses, and this one is completely new, so it needs 10 more uses. So let's go. 15 uses, 26 uses, 5 more uses, and 10 uses. I will see you again at the end of the March for roll-ins for month of April. And until then, bye!